Hello and welcome to Ken and Family. My name is Jimmy and this is the 2021 Mercedes E63s AMG Wagon. And we're going to check out if it can fit a Clek Liing as well as a Clek Foonf inside this vehicle. So let's take a look. Alright, as you can see, I have the Clek Liing, or at least the base of it, installed on the driver's side, and I got the Foonf installed here on the passenger side. Before I get into it, I just want to let you know there are two sets of lower anchors, and I love Mercedes for this. They're super easy to get access to. They're just behind these plastic covers, and there's three upper anchors just behind the seats themselves. While those anchors are very easy to get access to, something that wasn't as great is just how the Foonf fits. As you can see, it does fit. You certainly can put it in here. However, because of how the angle is and how low the rear bench is, I did have to move the front seat a little bit forward. So much so that me at 5'11", I'm just not super comfortable in here. And that's certainly something to note. While this wagon is relatively large, the rear seats, just the way that they're designed, it's not the best for a rear-facing seat. Once you turn it around, it's very, very different. And let me show you the Liing as well. As you can see, putting the Liing in, well, that's not difficult at all. There's plenty of room for the Liing to fit. Foonf is just a little different. But let me show you the trunk. There's actually a lot of room back here. As it is a wagon, there's plenty of room in the back. I actually don't have my stroller with me. I forgot it this morning. But as you can see, got my camera bag in here and some merch on the right, and there's plenty of space. So that's how the Clek Liing, Clek Foonf, and also how much luggage space you have inside the Mercedes-Benz E63s AMG Wagon. It is a pretty good family hauler, but because of how the Foonf fits, there may be better options out there. In any case, thank you so much for watching. If you have any comments or questions, leave them down below and I'll be sure to get back to you. Take care.